Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to make overnight oats today. I don't follow a recipe, but I will try to find one to link in the description just to give you a basic idea of what goes into them, and then you can mess with it to your liking. When I first started making overnight oats, I looked up several recipes and went from there and just used items that I knew we would like in our oatmeal. So basically this is an oatmeal that you make the night before. You don't cook it, you just add the ingredients, and then the oats soak up the liquid overnight, and then you eat it cold out of the fridge. So it's a little bit different, but if you haven't tried it, I'd recommend trying it. It's very convenient on the go and actually tastes really good. Our kids enjoy it as well. So here we go. I'm going to be making about maybe 2 to 3, maybe 2 to 4 servings. So I just kind of pour oats into here. And then you add your milk. You do want to add quite a bit of milk because it will get absorbed, and you don't want to end up with a dry oatmeal. And then I have vanilla whole milk yogurt that I got at Aldi this week. So we'll go ahead and add some of that. I like to add cinnamon to it. Gives it some extra flavor. I do honey for sweetening it. This is a really nice thick honey. I got this one locally, and it's a raw honey, which is the best kind that you can get. So then you can go ahead and choose what fruit you would like to add. Today I'm just going to do apple and grapes. So we'll add some grapes in here. And then just chunks of apple. Okay, so there's our mixture. Okay, so let's go ahead and mix this up. And it does seem a little watery as you're looking at it, but this will all get absorbed overnight, so it will be delicious tomorrow morning. I like to put the oatmeal into these jars and have it handy and ready to just grab in the morning. My husband likes to take one to work. So I do these for him, and then the rest I just put into a container for us to have since we're home. I hope you enjoyed our video, and if you haven't tried overnight oats yet, hopefully this will inspire you to give them a try. If you liked the video, please go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.